Hello everyone, I am Kiran Padhi and welcome to week 3 of the 52 weeks Unstoppable in 2021 series, wherein we are all learning and growing together towards excellence in life and career. Week 3, I'm sharing this recorded video with you all. Week 3 is about learning how to create your career blueprint. That's right, this week is for all those folks who are looking for a job or who are looking at getting an elevation in their career, getting a promotion or moving forward in their professional career. Career blueprint is a very important step. It's like a first step which will bring you more clarity around the kind of job, the kind of career you want to get into. And it's fairly simple. All that I share with you, it's fairly simple that you can go ahead and implement on your own. So take out a notepad and paper and go ahead and do this exercise with me. Create a table. So we are working on our career blueprint over here. So create a table and on the left hand side, write down all that you are looking at in that job. The attributes of your dream job, your desired job. So attributes of your desired job, write all of that on the left hand side of the table. Create that table and write each and everything. The kind of role that you want, the kind of profile that you're looking at, the kind of salary, how much salary, what is the range that you're looking at, the kind of organization. You may have a list of 15-20 organizations that you want to get into. Make that list. Okay, you can also write about the kind of boss or manager, leader that you want to work with. Okay, so write down all those attributes. Sometimes when I ask my clients to do this, they also write about the cafeteria, the location of the office, or the ambience, or the culture of the office. So write down each and everything that you so desire in your career, which will allow you to excel in your career, in your job. So make that list. Let that the number of points go to 8 points, 10 points, or even more than that. Okay, so go ahead and pause this video and write down all the attributes of your dream job, your desired job. Then once you're done with it, move on to the right hand side of that table that you're working on. So this is remember, this is your career blueprint that we are working on. On the right hand side, write down what are you willing to give into that job. You've written all your attributes. Attributes आपने सब लिख दिए हैं कि मुझे क्या चाहिए इस जॉब में. What do I want in this job? What do I want in this career? You must also be willing to give to get all of that, right? The more we give, the more we receive. This is a beautiful principle that I really follow in my life, and I totally believe in that. The more we give, the more we receive. Just go ahead and type in the comment if you are someone like me who believes in this. And I do this, and I've seen things happening. So every time I have given back, I have received much more than what I have given back. So go ahead and write all that you are willing to give into this job, this career, that your dream career. And what can go on this side? What am I willing to give? It would be about learning some new skills, doing a certification, your knowledge, your skills. So write all that is required. So if you want a job which is like a high paying job, your knowledge and skills, your skill sets, your expertise must be matching that role, right? So write what kind of knowledge and skill sets you need to acquire to get this dream job. Now suppose say you've written about your boss, kind boss or supporting. You must also be supporting your boss in the work, taking into consideration the organization's bigger picture. So write that. Okay, write all that you're willing to give, supporting your team members, or going the extra mile. You may have your KRAs given to you, but going that extra mile, going beyond the call of duty, taking initiatives, being patient, always being a learner, or whatever you are willing to give into that job. So make that list. Now once you have created this list, what will start happening? You would have gained a lot of clarity on the kind of role that you want and the kind of role you are suitable for. Because in this blueprint, you will realize that a lot of your values are also coming out, and that will lead to you choosing to not work in certain organizations. Many a times when people leave organizations, it's also because of value mismatch. Okay, so this blueprint will help you remove all the distractions and focus only on those organizations that you want to work in. And I'll also add on over here that organization could possibly be your current organization as well. You may also wish to continue your own organization, because a lot of that, whatever you've written on the left side and right hand side of the blueprint will also be matching. And if it's not matching, you may want to work on that. This blueprint will also help you give a little perspective on the gaps that you have. And please do go ahead and create a plan, a growth plan for you yourself, so that you're able to bridge that gap. So isn't it a simple way of getting more clarity and understanding what you want and what you don't want, and aligning with your values? This is a very important step towards that will help you excel in your career, whether you're searching for a job or whether you're looking at elevating in your current role. So how did you like this video? Please do go ahead and share this with others as well, and drop in your comments in the comment section. And once you have created your career blueprint, drop in those images in the comments as well. I would love to take a look at that. I'll soon connect with you all with week 4 topic. Mostly it will be a live one. I'll connect with you all soon on my Facebook group. Please do go ahead and invite at least 10 people to join our Facebook, and let's grow together in this community. Till my next video, thank you everyone for watching me, and bye-bye, and have a blessed and amazing life. Bye.